This is the 11 orders vlog, day 11 with Carvello Crochets. And yes, you guessed it, the sweatshop is open. So let's get started on the day. So I woke up really motivated to work on my bomber heavy hitter cardigan. And as I was doing it, I was like, oh wow, this is a technique I haven't seen before. Let's record it because hopefully I'll be able to compile my videos that I've already have together to make a tutorial where I'm basically explaining how I create the specific designs I have for my chunky hand-knit cardigans as a YouTube video. So this is just me collecting some footage that I'll use later while also working on this order. Good morning. It is 11:30 and no, it's only 11 o'clock and I am up. I've been up. I made very great progress on the heavy hitter cardigan that is a bomber jacket. I'm all the way up to the boobs. I did that this morning, so I was very happy about that. I posted the vlog for day 10. Whoop whoop. I made myself a smoothie. I'm gonna eat some mashed potatoes because my mouth is on fire. And today's main priority is the Passenger Princess cardigan. The goal is to get the whole top done, and so that tonight during the day, so that tonight we can work on working around the bottom. So very excited about that. The heavy hitter mocha, I'm going to do one skein today while I'm grading. I did find the rest of those cakes at a Joann's that's near me, so when I go out to deliver to take order to the post office, which I'll show you that order in a second. Once I go to the post office, I'll then go to Joann's and then come back home. And when I come back home, I'll continue working and do office hours tonight because my students asked for another community hours. And I will do that, and then I will keep going. Things are going really good. The only concern that I have about the bomber jacket right now is that it's too wide. The customer's bust area is 55 inches, but the cardigan right now is 57. And I'm like, yeah, 2 inches, but like she needs space to like be able to be in it. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to undo the yellow row or if I'm going to just go with it and trust the process. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet, so I'm going to let it mull over. I really don't want to have to redo the whole thing. But I did do that in like 2 hours. So let me show you really quickly. Let me show you, hold on. So it'll basically look like this. And so this would be the back panel, and then this is the 2 front panels with the yellow in the center going up. And right now it comes like mid boob, which is the right spot to start making the side, like to start building up above the breast. But I just don't know if it's too big. So I'm gonna think about it, and then I'll make a decision tonight, because this is actually 30% done right now. No, maybe like 40% done, which is great because both the back panel and the front panels are all halfway done. This looks really good. I'm really excited about this one. So we just dropped off order number 8 at the post office. It might be order number 9. I'm not sure if it was 8 or 9. And now we're heading to Joann's. Oh, there's a lot of rain. Now we're heading to Joann's to see if we can get the clay caramel yarn from Joann's, so that I really honestly need 2. So if they have 2, I'm going to get 2. And then if I have a lot left over, I'll just make a bomber. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to have like a bomber sale in the new year. That's basically like, hey, all the leftover yarn has been made into bombers. Get them. Period. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to have like a whole stock of this blanket yarn, this extra thick blanket yarn for nothing. Like I want to be able to have bombers based on the, the shorter versions. already made. So now not only am I making the money off of the longer cardigans, I'm also making money off of the leftover yarn for the bombers. A little bit less, but still a good amount for, you know, $19 a skein. So, or $20 a skein. All right, that's all I got to say. We're heading to Joann's. I'll send some video. It's raining really bad, so I'm gonna try to pay attention to what's going on the road, because it's just a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. But with the rain, but it's not too bad. Bye.
Crochet, crochet with me, crochet all day with me, crochet, crochet with me, crochet. Come and create with me, crochet. She gon' crochet, let's go. We gon' crochet, he gon' crochet, gotta crochet, let's go. I'm gon' crochet all day. We gon' crochet, let's go. In a dope way, we gon' crochet.